Hey, what's up you guys? Blake with U-Haul here. I'm gonna show you the Thule Camber 4 bike rack. It's brand new. It's available in-store and online at uhaul.com. I just want to talk about a couple of its features. It's a 4-bike rack. Each rack position can accommodate 37.5 pounds for a total of 150 pounds for the rack, so it's very capable. Additionally, it's adaptable. The rack comes with an 1.25 inch stinger, also comes with a 2-inch adapter sleeve. The vehicle we're putting it on today has a 2-inch receiver, so we're going to use a sleeve which installs with a 4mm Allen wrench. All right, so to install it, we're just going to go ahead and pick up the rack, line the shank with the receiver, slide it in, and using Thule's provided multi-tool, we'll secure the anti-wobble bolt. And you'll take your tool and snug her down. All right, that's nice and snug. So we'll put the multi-tool away for now and do a quick shake test. You'll see that rack's not going anywhere, the vehicle's moving and nothing's happening. So we're good to go. Let's talk a couple more of its features. We get the bike rack installed in its stowed position, perfect for driving around town, parking lots, etc. What's really nice about this particular rack is if you don't have your bikes with you and you need access to your cargo area, so tailgate, hatch, or trunk, it accommodates by moving out of the way. What you do is you grab this lever back here at the bottom and the mast will rotate down. Now we have full access to our tailgate, hatchback or otherwise. To get it back into its stowed position, just raise back up until it clicks in place and it's not going anywhere. You're good to go. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get the Camber 4 ready for use with the bikes. To do that, you grab this lever, raise the arms up, and then that lever will snap back into place. We're gonna just depress the button over here and free up these ratchet straps. This bike rack, the Camber 4, holds the bike on its frame. So it's using the top tube of the bike to support its, to hold the bike. Because the anti-wobble cage is on the driver's side, the bike needs to face the passenger side of the vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and get it on. All you'll do is pick up the bicycle, keep the frame triangle up and around the frame arms, just let it rest. And now we'll secure these ratchet straps. You don't need to be over tight, but you want them nice and snug so the bikes don't go anywhere. And then lastly, we'll get this anti-wobble cage secured. All right, if you have 3 more bicycles, just layer them on and they'll alternate sides. So the anti-wobble cage is on this side, the next bike is gonna face this way, and so on and so forth. And again, that's the Thule Camber 4. It's available in-store and online at uhaul.com. Thanks for joining, everyone.